Hey there, it's Heidi with Extreme Motor Sales. You're watching this video because you can't remember anything we said when you picked up the ATV. So let's go over it really quick. So to start it, the key needs to be in the on position. The kill switch needs to be on C, not X. If it's on X, it is not going to start. It's got to be on C. The next thing you have to do, you can see you're going to hit the start button. Nothing's going to happen. You must engage your brake. When that tail light lights up, the ATV will turn over. You have a brake, an emergency brake. This is your governor. The more you screw it down, the slower it's going to go. You have a foot brake. Kill switch, start. So after the first tank of gas, that's braking. After the first tank of gas, which means you're going to keep it around half throttle, half speed. After that, you're going to change out the oil. Your fill is right there. The drain is directly on the bottom of the engine. It takes about 800 ml of oil. A 4-quart of oil is 1,000. You're going to have 200 left in it. You're not going to use an entire quart. You have a small battery on this. It's a 12-volt, 5-amp battery. You're going to need to charge it. It's going to need charged every now and then. So get yourself a good trickle charger. This has a remote kill. They start driving towards something you don't like, you need to hold down the blue button. Once the blue button's held down, you must hit unlock again for it to start. You're going to hear it click. So those are the startup procedures. And again, use ethanol-free gas if you can. If you have any questions, call us. That's why you bought from a local dealer. And thank you, and Happy New Year.